Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to turn any image into a PDF using Canva's free version. First, open Canva and click Upload to add your image. Next, select Use in a new design and choose a page size that fits your needs. Adjust the image position or size as desired. Once done, go to the Share in the top right corner and click Download. Select PDF Standard from the Format options. Use PDF Print for high-quality printing or stick with Standard for general use. Click Download to save the file as a PDF. And that's it. If this helped, leave a like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.